Namaskar. This is Dr. Suniti Khandekar. First of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee of Shri Shivaji Science College Nagpur for giving me the opportunity to have a dialogue with you all on the Nutrition Week celebrations 2021. So let me share the screen with you right now. Let's begin. So as you can see, feeding smart right from start is the topic of Nutrition Celebration Week 2021. Feeding smart right from start. Now, what do we mean by feeding smart right from start? It is like right from birth, जन्म से लेकर आज तक हमें बहुत अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन खाना चाहिए, right from the beginning. But you would say we are in college now, we are all grown ups. But my dear friends, one important thing which you should remember is whenever you start something new, something with full knowledge, with full information, and with full blessings, we call it a new beginning. So even if your age may be 18 plus, 19, 20, or maybe at any age, because age is no bar, age is just a number. Whenever you wish to begin something new, we call it start. It is like जहां पर भी ज्ञान का सवेरा हो वहीं से शुरुआत होती है, या फिर एक फेमस डायलॉग जो आप जानते हैं, हम जहां से खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है. तो इन्फॉर्मेशन की लाइन आपको जहां पर भी मिले वहां से आप शुरुआत कीजिए. यू जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वॉट एवर नॉलेज वी हैव टुडे, एंड इट वुड बी माई ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेजर to give you all the information about the basic nutrition requirements for youngsters or for basically any kind of Indian person. So feeding smart right from start. Before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Suniti Ashwini Kumar Khandekar, a medical graduate turned clinical nutritionist and an MBA hospital administration who has been practicing nutrition and medicine since last 21 years, and these 21 years have helped me write Indian Diets and Kidney Diseases, a book on kidney diet nutrition, the same book with lots of addition about kidney diseases, the Hindi version किडनी का स्वास्थ्य हिंदुस्तानी स्वाद के साथ, and upcoming is किडनी से आजार आणि भारतीय आहार, which is coming up in Marathi probably by this Diwali. So after my brief introduction, let us move on to the topic. Pandemic. We are all hearing this word since January 2020, or say December 2019. We are all worried about COVID. We are all worried as to how it is going to affect us nutritionally. It has already affected us physically, mentally, socially, psychologically, economically. Nutritionally, it also has affected us because we are all sitting at one place trying to save ourselves by using masks, sanitizers, protecting ourselves from getting the virus attack. But do you think, my friends, that this pandemic is the only thing which we should be worried about? क्या ये COVID-19 का पैंडेमिक बस इतना ही, यही एक पैंडेमिक है जो हमें ये सोचने पर मजबूर करता है कि हमें न्यूट्रिशनली खुद को स्ट्रांग बनाना है? नो, वी आर ऑल रॉन्ग. ये जो चीज है ओबेसिटी, जो स्ट्रेस के कारण आता है, ज्यादा देर बैठे रहने से आता है, कम काम करने से आता है, या कम फिजिकल काम करने से आता है, गलत शलत चीजें खाने से आता है, ये जो ओबेसिटी का पैंडेमिक है, ये कोविड-19 से भी भयंकर है। And we all should be very, very, very careful about it, because COVID-19 has now, thanks to the Indian scientists and scientists all over the world, that we have a vaccine against this COVID-19 virus. And this vaccine is really, really effective, because it actually delays the progression of COVID-19 symptoms, या आपको बचाता है अगर आपको वायरस लग भी जाता है तो. बट वॉट अबाउट ओबेसिटी? ओबेसिटी के बारे में क्या ख्याल है? क्या हम इसे रोक सकते हैं? देयर इज नो वैक्सीन फॉर दिस पैंडेमिक विच इज देयर ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. नाउ दिस इज एन एरो. ये एरो ऐसे दिखाई दे रहा है, बट इट इज ऑलवेज अ ग्रोइंग टाइप ऑफ एरो. ओबेसिटी, सबसे पहले तो मोटापा, उसके बाद आता है डायबिटीज, बिकॉज ओबेसिटी लीड्स टू इंक्रीज ऑफ फैट इन द बॉडी, एंड इंक्रीज ऑफ फैट सेल्स इन द बॉडी decreases our insulin sensitivity, and this gradually leads to diabetes. Nowadays in Indians, uh, due to obesity, diabetes is seen in very, 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 very young age. Even youngsters are showing signs and symptoms of high blood sugar levels and glucose tolerance उनका खराब हो जाता है. सो ओबेसिटी के कारण डायबिटीज है. अब डायबिटीज है तो साथ में हाइपरटेंशन भी है. वी हैव द ओबेसिटी, डायबिटीज एंड हाइपरटेंशन ट्रायड, एंड once all these sets in, even if at a younger age, it leads to kidney diseases. My dear friends, this is the logic. This is the logic behind prevention of obesity, because ओबेसिटी प्रिवेंट करते हैं तो डायबिटीज प्रिवेंट करते हैं, तो हाइपरटेंशन भी प्रिवेंट करते हैं, और अगर डायबिटीज और हाइपरटेंशन दोनों एक साथ प्रिवेंट करते हैं तो वी प्रिवेंट किडनी डिसीजेस along with it. So this is something long term which we need to think about, and we have to think it today. We have to think about it as to how are we going to prevent the fat accumulation in our body, unnecessary fat accumulation in our body, how we are going to keep ourselves fit and not fat. We have to be fit. And heart diseases, so all kidney diseases may also land into heart diseases. Yeah, even hypertension may directly lead to heart diseases, even diabetes may directly lead to heart diseases, even obesity, which is described as metabolic syndrome, may directly cause heart diseases also. So ये सब चीजें एक तो ऐसे लाइन में आती है, obesity, diabetes, hypertension, kidney diseases या heart diseases. Otherwise they all may be separate, but in the end, major factor what is affected is quality of life, my friends. And due to this quality of life, which is going down because of just one factor, which is the obesity, and it can be prevented. Yes, it can be prevented. How do we prevent it, my friends? Let us discuss about it. Now look at the first picture. This is the increase in the waist circumference, जो बीच का भाग है बॉडी का, कमर के ऊपर का. When this girth increases, we have to be very careful about this girth, because this indicates as to मोटे हो रहे हैं हम लोग, जीन्स टाइट होने लगती है, कपड़े टाइट होने लगते हैं, and we tend to really look fat, because look at the increase in the circumference of the waist. Yes, measuring your waist circumference will help you determine. आज ही एक measurement ले लीजिए, and then you can always measure yourself at least once in 3 months, so that you know whether you're growing fat here right in the middle or not. Yes, even for females you can see that the abdominal obesity is seen, and this abdominal obesity is very, very, very common in Indian patients, because we have something called as the thrifty gene, which leads to all accumulation of the fat right in our tummies or right in our abdominal cavity. This leads to the problems, my dear friends. So this is the line which you will be seeing. Pehle, now initially it is a bit healthy person, quite not quite lean and thin, but healthy person, then gradually look at the yellow figure, then look at the orange figure, then the red figure, which is the red alarm. That's how obesity gradually increases in Indian patients. Again, this is also something which is problematic. Our sitting time at one place. I know due to COVID-19 pandemic, everybody is sitting at home, sitting in front of computers, sitting at one place and trying to work. But look at the posture. This is what happens to the posture. This is what happens to the back. So this also leads to spinal problems as well as of course obesity, because एक जगह पे बैठे बैठे it is like no calorie burn, no bodily activity. So this is what causes the problems. Yes, stress. Stress is another major factor which may lead to obesity, or it may lead to obesity and hypertension and cardiac diseases, or it may lead to obesity, hypertension, and due to stress also there is something called as stress diabetes. So वो सब एक साथ आता है, obesity, diabetes, hypertension, kidney diseases and cardiac diseases. और ये सब prevent के लिए करने के लिए what we are supposed to do is prevention of obesity, feeding smart right from the start. That's the main theme. Yes, loads and loads of work. If you look at the figure here, that man is buried in his files. So what we need to do is we need to divide our work properly so that we are not overburdened with the work at one time. Yes, again stress, then there comes backaches, there comes headaches, there comes other problems. Yes, there comes neck problems and spine problems. So all these things need to be prevented, we need to have a holistic approach. It just does not depend on what you eat, it depends on how you eat, it depends on how much you eat, it depends on when you eat, it depends on what you eat, it depends on how you burn your calories, it depends on how you have your daily routine or schedule, how many glasses of water you are drinking. So it all depends on a holistic approach. It should be a complete total approach towards yourself, because remember my dear friends that our souls have only one home, which is our body. So टूटे फूटे घर में रहने से तो अच्छा है कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग घर में रहे. Is that what we all are working for? है ना? We are all working for to have a good home. So at the same time, we should all work for to have a good home for our soul, which is our body. And I need not say कि सिर्फ जिम में जाओ या सिर्फ ये करो या सिर्फ प्रोटीन खाओ ये करो, but you need to have something which is balanced. So let's get on to it now. Lifestyle modifications. This should be the main aim. नॉट जस्ट कैलोरीज कम करो, एक्सरसाइज करो या प्रोटीन कम खाओ, ये खाओ वो मत खाओ. नो, इट्स नॉट द लिस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुडे. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द बेसिक लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशंस एंड यू नीड टू स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ. शुभस्य शीघ्रम. Food is something which you need to modify. Now my dear friends, let me discuss. We celebrate National Nutrition Week every year and there is a theme. But before these things, you should understand that this nutrition celebrations have been going on in Indian culture since centuries and centuries. We celebrate every seasonal crop. We celebrate every seasonal food. We celebrate every seasonal fruits which we are growing, which we celebrate every seasonal flowers that we are growing. And even our festivals are arranged in such a manner. They are celebrated and they are like placed into the calendar in such a manner that the festivals come along with the local crop or the local food of that region. be it Bihu, be it Onam, be it Baisakhi, be it Holi, Sankranti, Diwali, any kind of festival. You name a festival and then you can always correlate that festival with some kind of fruit or food or crop. So we Indians know the exact importance of nutrition in our daily diet. But the problem is, since we Indians are trying to just adapt to the Western or the non-Indian food eating, cooking, and developing styles, and missing out, and at the same time, missing out on our traditional cooking and eating styles is the time, and that's the time since we are starting to have the problem of obesity. So we need to focus on food and traditional preparations of our food. That is the first thing to be kept in mind. The way you sit for studies or work, that is also important. हम कैसे बैठते हैं, क्या हम स्ट्रेट बैठते हैं, क्या हमारी गर्दन स्ट्रेट है, क्या हमारी आंखें कंप्यूटर से एक हाथ या एटलीस्ट 12 inches दूर है. That is all what we need to work on. Again, how much time are you sitting at one place? So after every 30 minutes, walk for 3 minutes. After every 20 minutes, walk for 2 minutes. After every say 10 minutes, walk for 1 minute. 10, 1, 20, 2, 30, 3 या 1 घंटे के लिए आप 1 घंटे बैठेंगे तो आप 6 मिनट वॉक करके आइए. बिकॉज दिस इज सिटिंग इज द न्यू स्मोकिंग. जो ज्यादा बैठे रहेगा उसको स्मोकिंग की तरह, स्मोकिंग से जो प्रॉब्लम्स लंग्स में होती है, जो ज्यादा बैठता है उसे बैठने की वजह से, ओबेसिटी की वजह से वैसे ही भयंकर प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है. सो द वे यू सिट फॉर स्टडीज एंड वर्क is very important in your lifestyle modifications. Begin it from today. Exercise, most important thing. सिर्फ खाना सही खाने से नहीं चलेगा. It is like you're building a wall or you're building a home and you're not just using the bricks. For cementing those bricks, you require that cement and masala and everything. What is that? That is exercise. So food, the way you sit, exercise is also important in building your body. Sleeping patterns, whether you're sleeping well or not, whether you're having a complete 6 to 7 hours of sleep every night, peaceful sleep, not tossing in bed, not listening to music or not watching TikTok videos on your YouTubes or mobiles, but a peaceful, meditative, sumptuous sleep is what is required to be healthy for long term. Habits, this is what we are going to discuss. So let us begin. Food. Breakfast. The most important meal of the day. Breaking of the fast. रात को 9 बजे खाना खाया है and then we go to sleep, and then in the morning we get up at around 6 or 5 and then we have our first meal at 9 o'clock. So breaking that fast of 12 hours, that is known as the breakfast. So what should be the breakfast menu? We are straight away directly going to the point. अभी ज़्यादा इधर उधर नहीं घूमेंगे. क्या खाना चाहिए? What should be it? And after we complete the breakfast menu list, I will give you a tip. Just follow what I'm saying. मिल्क और लस्सी और छाछ ये कंपलसरी है. एक तो आप दूध पीजिए 200 ml, या लस्सी पीजिए या छाछ पीजिए, whatever you wish, whatever you like, but you should drink that. इसके साथ क्या खाएं अब मैं बताती हूँ. चना पोहा, मटर उपमा, मूंग दाल चीला, थाली पीठ, बेसन या टोमेटो ऑमलेट, इडली सांबर, मसाला उत्तपम, चटनी के साथ मसाला डोसा, वड़ा पाव. वाओ, Lovely options, right? Samosa with chana rasa ya dahi samosa. Great! I'm a nutritionist and I'm giving you all the street food or yummy tasty options right from Nagpur or right from all over the India. Egg omelette, masala egg burji, boiled eggs, मटर या चीज पाव भाजी, स्पेशली मटर या चीज डाल की, मिसल पाव, mixed veg parathas with dahi, homemade best. All these things can be made at home. Dal chawal khichdi, even that's a favorite, my favorite, palak khichdi. Sabudana khichdi with dahi, chole bhature ya puri. So what is it? What is it that is special? Yeah, Shegao kachori. Yes, we can have all these things for breakfast, one at a time. हाँ भाई, एक दिन चना पोहा खाया, उसी दिन बाकी चार चीजें नहीं खा सकते. In breakfast, of course. But if you look at the list, you would come to know, my dear friends, that every menu has some kind of vegetarian or vegetarian protein in it. Chana poha has chana in it, matar upma has matar in it, moong dal chila has moong in it, thali pit has all the grains in it. Besan ya tomato omelette has besan in it, idli sambar has urad dal in it, and a combination of cereal pulse, which is very good because एक में जो amino acid कम होता है वो दूसरे डालने से mix हो जाता है, so it becomes a complete protein in itself. Then you have masala उत्पम, वड़ा पाव में वड़ा का कवर है, समोसा में चना रसा के साथ खाओगे तो ही ठीक है, या दही के साथ खाओगे तो ही ठीक है, otherwise samosa is a calorie bomb. But Nagpurians have modified it into a protein rich item. Again, we have eggs, we have matar, we have cheese, we have misal, wherein we can include har tarah ka sprouts in it. Then we have mixed vegetable parathas with dahi. So everywhere there is something called as pulses, dale, sprouts hai, dahi hai, egg hai, milk hai. Because we are focusing on feeding right. We are not just having bread butter, we are just not just having cookies, we are not just having calorie bombs like pizzas. We are having healthy breakfast options. One serving of these along with a 200 ml of milk or lassi or chas is enough for us to survive till lunchtime. बीच में अगर भूख लगती है तो मिड मॉर्निंग मील में क्या खाएंगे? What do you kids opt for? Chips? Chocolates? चना फटाना? Biscuits? Cookies? Naan katai? I would suggest have lots of fruits. Now fruits, we need to understand that fruits, seasonal fruit, any seasonal fruit can be had as a mid morning meal. Now what is mid morning meal? Breakfast के 2 घंटे बाद और lunch के 2 घंटे पहले. Breakfast you have at 7 o'clock, so around 9, 9:30 or 10 o'clock, if you're feeling hungry, before your lunch break at 1 o'clock, you should have 1 or 2 fruits. You can have 2 small bananas, 1 full apple, or a bowl full of watermelon, or a guava, or some papaya, or a 10-15 grapes, whatever you like. But have a fruit. But why fruit is given this time slot in the meal? Because fruits have a special property, and those special properties are nutrient rich properties. So these fruits should be taken in at the best of the time, which is when the stomach is neither full with other kinds of food grains, neither it is completely empty. And fruit के साथ और कुछ ना खाएं. Just eat the fruit, because you eat fruits, you get the right quantity of nutrients, you get right quantity of fructose sugar, which is the glucose causing sugar, yeah, energy milti hai, and you get right quantity of water. You need not convert it into a fruit smoothie or a fruit milkshake or something. Just eat the fruit. दाद दिए है ना भगवान ने, उसका इस्तेमाल करना है. Just eat the fruit at mid morning and stop munching on chips or chocos. Evening snacks. लंच में आते हैं, बाद में आते हैं, पहले इवनिंग स्नैक्स छोटी सी बात कर लेते हैं. शाम को क्या खाते हैं? चाय या कॉफी? कॉफी तो ठीक है, चाय, कॉफी या कोल्ड ड्रिंक? नो, वी शुड हैव फुटाना, वी शुड हैव मखाना. Futana is iron rich, protein rich. Makhana is iodine rich. Brains के लिए अच्छा है. चना जोर गरम, again चना, which is protein rich, fiber rich, you name it, calcium rich. या homemade पोहा चिवड़ा, नागपुर में बहुत अच्छा मिलता है, with lots of coconut and peanuts and these futana dalias in it with little oil and little tadka. So evening snacks, why do we need to have a proteinaceous small amount of evening snack? Very important, because lunch के बाद when you are having your classes or studies or anything at around 4 o'clock 5 o'clock थोड़ी भूख लग जाती है, but इतनी नहीं लगती कि आप कुछ मोटा या बड़ा खाए. That's why you need to have a small amount of evening snack which is a bit proteinaceous in nature, which helps you to sustain till the dinner time. अभी लंच की बात करते हैं. दाल प्लेन और विथ वेजीज एंड तड़का. चावल प्लेन और पुलाव और बिरयानी. Then we have multigrain roti. We should have multigrain roti. Yeah, we should make wheat roti, jawar roti, bajre ki roti, nachni ki roti. Yeah, mix all together and make a messy roti. But have a multigrain roti. Have sabzis with eggs or soya chunks or sprouts or besan. Remember, we are discussing feeding right. So we need to feed ourselves right. So right quantity at the right time, right quality at the right time. Dahi. Try to have dahi either plain or in the form of lassi or chas or mattha in your meal, and have fresh vegetables with sprouts and pulses as a salad. So this makes a complete lunch. Now everybody is not availing the facility कि घर पे जाके खाना खाएंगे. So you carry tiffins with you. Nowadays, due to COVID pandemic, we are all sitting at home. So we have the privilege of having dal, chawal, roti, sabzi, dahi, salad. And either it is the mom or the elder sister or someone who is always like ready to serve you hot meals. But if you're carrying tiffins, my dear friends, so try and understand that always we carry sabzi roti in the tiffin. Make sure you bring some amount of either dal or sprouts or pulses as a protein source. Make sure protein kahan hai in the meal. Make sure you bring the protein source and carry a small 300-400 ml of bottle with mattha or chas in it. This will help you fight the humid atmosphere which is going on right now. It will help you in sustenance because it will add to the protein in your diet, and it will add to the micronutrients in your diet. Dinner time. पुलाव रायता, कड़ी खिचड़ी या खिचड़ी बेसन, दाल चावल, पिठला भात, बिरयानी रायता, दाल ढोकली, दाल रोटी, झुणका भाकर. Plain, simple menu, probably one dish. So eat less during dinner time. Eat your dinners early. सोने से कम 2 घंटे पहले खाना खा लेना चाहिए, because it helps you to digest this properly. We eat and immediately if we go to sleep, then the digestive system is again slowed down because it becomes sluggish. And if you do not keep yourself awake, then the problem comes the next morning where you have all acidity and bloating and gaseous feeling. So have small dinners, have protein rich dinners, and have early dinners. We can call it supper. Now, walk. We need to walk more because food तो अभी हो गया, अभी exercise या lifestyle modification की बात करते हैं. So we need to walk. We need to walk to work. We need to walk to small places, running small errands की कुछ लाना है, मदद करनी है किसी की, तो walk करना है. बस बाइक को प्रेस करके बाइक उठा के ले जाना नहीं है. Rather, this bike, the body bike which is there, we need to ask it to run. So walk more, stand more. I have been sitting for this lecture, my dear friends. I know, because I need to sit in front of this camera and talk to you and record this. But after every 10 minutes, I get up for 1 minute, have a walk and come around. इनके जैसा नहीं होना है. कुर्सी पे बैठ लिए, कुर्सी के महाराज हो गए. सो खुर्चीचं राजकारण नाही करायचं आहे. वी हॅव टू बी स्ट्रॉंग, वॉक, स्टँड, कीप युअर सेल्फ फिट. So the take home message for all of you here, we are not done yet actually, but just remembering and reminding you of the important points. Home food is the best food. Even if you love the chana rasa or poha or samosa around, please help your mother in cooking whatever delicious meals you love, because home food is the best food. We know how it is cooked, we know what goes inside that gravy, we know what kind of cleanliness is maintained, and we know the quality of items which goes in that meal. So home food is the best food. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of plain water. ओके, इसके अलावा आपको छाछ पीना है, आपको दूध पीना है, अगर आपको सूप पीना है या आपको बाकी कुछ पीना है चलेगा, लेकिन 2 to 3 liters ऑफ प्लेन वाटर तो जरूर दिन भर में पीजिए. दिस इज फॉर ऑल हेल्दी इंडिविजुअल्स. दिस statement is not meant for patients who are suffering from diabetes or hypertension or kidney diseases. We are just talking about normal people here, youngsters, you youngsters who are listening to this. Try and incorporate protein in each and every meal. As we discussed, छोटा छोटा. Now Indian protein sources में सारी दालें आती है, सारे स्प्राउट्स आते हैं, पल्सेस आते हैं, राजमा, छोले, चना, चवली, मटकी, मोट, ये सारी चीजें आती है. तो ये सारा प्रोटीन सोर्स है. फिर अपने घर में क्या रहता है? दही रहता है. वी हैव छाछ, मट्ठा, ताक या दूध. पनीर बना सकते हैं घर पे. सो ऑल दीज आर प्रोटीन रिच आइटम्स. सोया चंक्स, सोयाबीन वड़ी, मूंग वड़ी, all these are good protein rich items. So try and add them. घुसेड़ना है उनको, प्रोटीन को, हर एक मील में किसी ना किसी तरीके से. Vegetarian proteins are good sources of proteins. If you feel that only by eating non-veg I will become strong and I will be able to fight corona and be healthy, and no, even vegetarian proteins. And famous players for Olympians who are grand slam masters, tennis players, cricket players are also now incorporating vegetarian proteins only in their diet, and they are achieving good results. So vegetarian protein sources are good sources of proteins. That is the take home message. Eat lots of fresh vegetables. Your plate should be half of vegetables and fresh meals. Then it should be one third, it should be the rest of the 1/4 should be protein, and then you should have carbs. और तेल की मात्रा तो बहुत कम होनी चाहिए. We have everything ulta. We have lots of dals and lots of roti in the plate. Then we have little of dal. Then we have little of sabzi, and then we have lots of oil in it. So my dear friends, kindly stop doing that. Have lots of fresh vegetables. Eat one fruit in a day. दिन भर में एक फल खाना है. One fresh fruit I'm talking about. I'm not talking about dried fruits and nuts here. We are talking about fresh seasonal fruit. You have to eat it. उसको चॉप करके, उसको मैश करके, उसका जूस बना के नहीं पीना है. You have to eat the whole fruit. Avoid foods with preservatives and chemicals. So all the preservative rich items like sauces and ketchups and jams and jellies and cokes and other beverages need not be had. We should have fresh meals. Now, foods with preservatives में अचार आता है, लेकिन अचार में the Indian pickles we make, they have natural preservatives in them. We do not add any chemicals. We just add salt, this amount of sugar in it. So small amounts of pickles are allowed, but do not have the pickled vegetables and fruits which we get in the market nowadays, pickled olives and pickled sauerkrauts and all. So avoid things which are with preservatives and chemicals. Avoid aerated beverages, Coke, Pepsi, all those 7-Ups जो खोलते ही जिसमें से सोडा बाहर निकलता है. Now these aerated beverages are rich in two things. They are rich in sugars, simple sugars. You may have a diet Coke or something. तो उसमें now in a diet Coke, preparation is such that something called as phosphoric acid is added to that, and these causes a very bad effect on our bones. So my dear friends, you need to understand, once in a while, once in a blue moon, once in a month or so, small amount of these aerated beverages are okay still, but not on a daily basis, not on a consistent basis. Exercise, my favorite. Wake up early, target 5 a.m. wake up. जो जल्दी सोता है वो जल्दी उठता है, और जो जल्दी उठता है वो सारे काम खत्म करता है. So try and wake up early. Target at least 10,000 steps in a day. Why step counting? Because if you are not able to exercise, at least you know that I have to complete 10,000 steps in that particular 24-hour time frame. And if you even try to achieve this kind of thing, nowadays there are researches कि even 5,000 steps से भी काम चलता है, 6,000 steps से भी काम चलता है, then fine. But at least start. You need to start somewhere. You need to start so that you get going. Climb stairs. जिन्हें चढ़ा. सीढ़ियां चढ़िए और लिफ्ट का इस्तेमाल नहीं करें या कम से कम करें. योगा. Incorporate yoga in daily routine. योगा कोई ऐसी भयंकर या अलग चीज नहीं है. It is not difficult. Yes, but you need practice and you need full concentration. You need to be into it. मैं योगा करता हूँ करके you should not be just like doing a few things here and there wrong. Have a proper yoga class with proper instructor who is going to teach you, because yoga is a way of life and it is not just an exercise pattern. Remember that. Now cardio and body weight training. Cardio, what do you mean by cardio? बड़ा शब्द है, but running, jumping, jogging, skipping, or walking, these are all cardio based activities. And the other activity is body weight training. Planks है, lunges है, जहाँ पर हम खुद की बॉडी का वजन ही हमें मदद करता है फिटनेस के लिए. That is the thing is body weight training. So you should think of doing cardio and body weight training. Mechanized or weight training needs to be done only under expert supervision. So trained experts जो है उनकी निगरानी के अंदर ही आपको weights या weight training करना है. Don't start unsupervised, unattended, because you may injure yourself even permanently. I have written here temporarily or even long-term damages to the ligaments may happen. Sometimes you may just be in a hurry and without the instructor you just go on for some weight training program, and you may injure yourself, your spine, your body so badly that it could be a permanent thing. So weight training or mechanized machine wala training should be done under expert supervision, under the guidance of a trainer. Do not indulge into unnecessary protein shakes. Most important. Muscle building के लिए creatine खाओ, ये दवा खाओ, वो दवा खाओ. No. Your body is made up of food items. So what should go in that is the food items. and not chemicals and not other things. अभी protein shakes भी तो food item है. No, it is a processed thing, my dear friends. So anything which is processed may cause problems. So we need to have only and only natural foods which gives you protein, right? So do not indulge into unnecessary protein shakes or any muscle building chemicals that may harm your internal organs, especially your liver and kidneys permanently. Substance abuse, big topic, especially for college students. Nowadays, even high school students, we are all worried about. I know your professors must be worried about this thing. Tobacco and tobacco related items, tobacco, pan, kharra, all those things. Kindly avoid, because it causes mouth cancer, it causes all kinds of cancer inside. Alcohol, once in a while से शुरू होता है, डेली तक आके खत्म होता है, and then it literally ruins your life. खत्म और क्या क्या होता है, खत्म रिलेशंस हो जाते हैं, खत्म पैसा हो जाता है, खत्म लिवर हो जाता है, और फिर खत्म लाइफ हो जाता है. सो फॉरगेट अल्कोहल. कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, व्हाई सब्सटेंस अब्यूज में कोल्ड ड्रिंक लिस्ट किया है? बिकॉज even people are so habitual of drinking cold drinks along with their lunches or dinners that they tend to forget that this is a chemical beverage which has got all those acids which weaken your bones in the long term, and it gives you unnecessary intake of sugars. And that is the reason why you find so many morbidly obese patients, and when you go back to their history you find only 2 or 3 things. बहुत ज्यादा बर्गर खाया, बहुत ज्यादा चिप्स खाया या पिज्जा खाया, और बहुत कोल्ड ड्रिंक पिया. So kindly avoid. It is again a substance abuse which I would say. Drugs, yes, kindly avoid, my dear friends. You're all youngsters, you need to focus on your life because you're all college goers today. You need to focus on your lives, and this kind of chemicals just gives you a high. It's a pseudo feeling, fake feeling कि मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, सब सही है. सब सही नहीं होता है, जब उसका असर कम हो जाता है तो सब गलत पाया जाता है. So kindly do not indulge into any kind of drugs or substance abuse. Gadgets, madam, gadgets, how come gadgets are in substance abuse? Yes, gadgets are today, we can call it in substance abuse thanks to COVID-19 pandemic. Because nowadays you have schools on computers और जैसे लैपटॉप ऑनलाइन चल रहा है, तो स्कूल के बाद होमवर्क भी उसमें उसी में आ जाता है, फिर होमवर्क के बाद फ्रेंड से मिलना भी आजकल उसी में आ जाता है. सिंस अभी थोड़ा केसेस कम हो गया, इसलिए यू पीपल कैन गो एंड मीट योर फ्रेंड्स, बट देन दोज हु आर नॉट एबल टू, देन दे अगेन इंडल्ज इनटू द फोन. सो पढ़ाई के लिए फोन, फिर होमवर्क के लिए फोन, फिर फ्रेंड से बात करने के लिए फोन, फिर देन यू हैव लाइक एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए फोन. कम ऑन, हाउ मच ऑफ फोन? एंड देन बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड ऑल्सो सब लाइट बंद करके सब सोए हैं, एंड देन बेड पे लेटे लेटे धीरे से फोन. हाँ, इधर यू आर टॉकिंग टू समवन सीक्रेट और प्राइवेट, और यू आर वॉचिंग सम टिकटॉक वीडियोज. इसने यहाँ से जंप मारा, या कम ऑन. एंड व्हाट इट डज it do to your brains? It corrupts your brains. Gadgets should be kept away at least 1 or 1.5 hours before going to sleep. And even in between, you need to take breaks from gadgets. Go, थोड़ी सी खुली हवा में सांस लेके आओ. Just take a walk and come back. Don't get stuck to this, because again, this is also something called as abuse. Or we may even land up into something called as a gadgets pandemic. COVID-19 तो खत्म हो रहा है, अभी फिलहाल डेंगू मलेरिया चल रहा है. Maybe after that we may land up into something called as gadget pandemic, wherein we are not able to free ourselves from the gadgets because we will be so used to using the gadgets, and that needs to be corrected. So not only feeding smart right from start, we need to feed our brains also with this correct information that all these things are like abuse, and we need to protect our bodies from these things. So with that, we conclude today's topic, feeding smart, right from start. I would again suggest आप जहां से भी शुरुआत करो, सवेरा वहीं से शुरू होता है. So start from today. Whenever you have knowledge, you should start. And these are my contact number. You can contact me anytime for any kind of nutrition related guidance. Thank you.